Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Crafts and Vlogs with Barerah. So guys, today I'm going to open up my gift from Rice Club. So first of all, thank you Rice Club, Leena auntie, and the winter camp organizers, Naila auntie and Nusra auntie. Thank you so much. So this is my certificate for the public speaking challenge. Then now let's open the gift. Here's the Rice Club logo and the SY consultancy management. Here's also a greeting card from Rice Club, Dr. Nala, and SY management consultancy, Nusra Irfan. To Barerah, you've done an excellent job. Keep up the good work. Best of luck for your future. Thank you so much, Rice Club, Dr. Naila auntie, and SR Management Consultancy, Nusra auntie. Now let's open up the gift. So here's a pencil box and a storybook and 2 more storybooks. Thank you so much for such a pleasant gift, and I really loved it. Thank you so much, Rice Club, SY Consultancy, and Nusra auntie. Thank you so much for the gift.